What's up everybody, welcome back to more podiums. Today I want to take you guys through a review from 33 Stickers on how I took my Bell RSK7 from looking stock, bland, white, nonchalant to looking like this. Also want to go through and talk about the sticker kit, how it was to mount everything, and some of the gotchas, things that I thought were interesting or good for you to know if you're to purchase a sticker kit from 33 Stickers. So first off, the ordering and delivery process on their website was extremely simple and easy. Within 24 hours of me placing my order, I had somebody reach out to me and ask me and confirm if, you know, the more podiums was correct or if my name was correct, if this color schema is what I wanted. And I thought that was amazing to have them contact me so fast and make sure that my custom order was being processed. After that though, things started to delay a bit. So at least where the stuff was shipped from was Russia, but it took roughly 5 weeks for me to get and receive my package. I don't know if that's due to the geopolitical nature or what's going on in the world right now, but overall, I was not expecting for there to be a 5 to 6 week delay for me to get my stickers. But in the end, I got them, they arrived, and this is how they look. So the sticker kit comes on 3 cardboard sheets where you're able to take and stick on the stickers yourself. There's no per directions for each of the helmets. And I did find that some of the stickers don't go 100%, like there's no template. So you kind of gotta move some things around, especially if you have some aero kits. Here I have the Bell aero kit for the rear, the front diffuser, and the vents for the helmet. I look like an F1 driver, but I'm definitely not as fast as one. But respect Max Verstappen, Lewis Hamilton, I know you guys watch more podiums. Have fun this weekend. But overall, you're gonna see that there's some like divots and stuff like this whenever it comes to actually sticking the stickers or some overlap. There was no template, so this is all me trying to make it the best. You can see some Sharpie or some marks on here. This is me trying to measure everything out. So if I was to give you a recommendation, it would be don't stick your stickers first. Start to understand and start to measure out the halfway point on your helmet. Mark the halfway point for your chin, the back of your head. Put your aero kit on before. But you can see that some of the aero kit, I put my aero kit on before, and I do have a little bit of overlap here with some of the stickers. So I need to hit that with the heat gun, make sure it sticks on there well. Take your time. I have not had many bubbles, and whenever I do have bubbles, I've been able to push them down. That's just the nature of the beast, but overall I would say 95% no bubbles. Of course, I had a bubble like in like the most noticeable area, but that's on me, that's not on them. So it was right here for more podiums. One thing that would be good for you to know is that I do have a karting helmet, which has a smaller visor, a smaller viewable area, and the large more podiums that goes on the top, I couldn't put that on here. That wasn't made for this style, so I only would get like viewing that much, and that's not safe, so we're not doing that. But overall, I'm very happy with the purchase. I'm very happy with the sticker kit. For the price point, I think it was extremely reasonable, and it really took my helmet from being bland to wow. And I hope this helps you guys out. And most importantly, I hope to see you guys on the grid. Peace.